Hello, welcome to this week's homework. So I've had quite a few requests for an ab workout. So what I'll do is I'll show you each exercise and then you practice the exercise and just do a few repetitions. Fantastic. So first exercise that we've all done this week, you should come down to your mats. So feet are flat on the floor, knees and feet are about hip distance apart. So think about your pelvis, make sure you're not rocking your pelvis as you come up. What we're going to do is we're just going to bring our head and our shoulders off the mat. So deep breath in, as you breathe out you just nod your head and you come up and you look towards your knees and those hands just stay parallel to the floor. Look at your pelvis and make sure it's not tilting up. Breath in at the top and breathe out, you come in. Breathe in, nod the head. And come up, lovely. Keep your shoulders down. Lovely. Deep breath in. Breathe out, nod the head. And come up. So I would do this about 10 times. And then if you want more of a challenge, just bring one leg into tabletop. Breathe in, nod the head. And one leg into tabletop. Hold it there. Think about your abs are nice and hollowed out. Breathe in, breathe out and bring it down. And just alternate legs. Just alternate legs. Think about your pelvis. You're not rocking your pelvis. Your pelvis is staying in a nice neutral position. And breathe out as you come up. Lovely. Do it with real control, real precision. If your neck starts hurting, then you can bring one hand behind your head, or both hands, and just cradle. Lovely. And when you've done about 10 lifting your legs, then just release those muscles by bringing your knees into your chest and just roll on your back and just release those muscles. Fantastic. So the next exercise we did is a single leg stretch. Okay, so bring one leg into tabletop, do a little bit of that imprint by your bra strap or heart monitor and bring your other leg into tabletop. So really think about your knees are above your hips and your legs are nice and parallel to the floor. Deep breath in as you breathe out, nod the chin. Bring hands to one side, to each side of one knee. And all we're going to do is stretch the leg away. So stretch one leg away and the other. And what I do to get the breathing right is I just breathe on the knee as it comes towards you. Lovely. If this is too hard, you have options. You can bring your head and neck down. You can put your hands behind your head to just cradle your head. It's also slightly easier if you lift your leg further up towards the ceiling. I would do about 10 on each leg and then come back down and just rest, release those muscles, lovely. And there was one more exercise we did, and I think initially I said 5 of each of this exercise, and I think all of you did more than 5. Okay, so it's the same start position, so it's both legs in tabletop, and put your hands either side of your knees, and we're going to stay in the upright position, and this is called the double leg stretch. So deep breath in, and stretch away. Think about those abs being nice and hollowed. And as I said, we tried to do 5. I think the maximum anybody did was 12. Hold it and bring your arms round. Deep breath in, hold it, bring your arms round. Lovely. If you're finding this too hard, you can put your hands behind your head. Or you can take your feet higher up. Lovely. So when you've done enough, just bring those knees into your chest and just give yourselves a bit of a rock. That's fantastic. Lovely. And